What's up, guys? Today we are making skooma.
Hi, this is Andrew, and you're watching The Guard Post.
For skooma, you're going to need sugar, a bottle, jasmine or lavender tea. I'm using jasmine this time, and hot dried peppers. So if you don't know what skooma is a drink in the game of Skyrim, and it's also in Oblivion and in Morrowind. In Morrowind, it was illegal. I've never played Oblivion, so I can't tell you what it was in Oblivion. But in Skyrim, it's not illegal because Skyrim is so lawless. It's a drink made by the Khajiit, which are cat people, and what they do is they take refined moon sugar and they turn it into a liquid. It's kind of like a psychedelic drug, but because I'm not a drug dealer, I'm not making a psychedelic version of skooma. This is a 21 version skooma. This is an alcoholic version of skooma. So I've got a couple of skoomas that I'm going to be making today. The first skooma is my Messer skooma. It's going to have chipotle peppers in it. This is the version of skooma that's related to Messer, which is the darker moon of Norn. I'm also going to be making another one that's Skahunda moon sugar. That's going to be related to the other moon, the white moon of Norn. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is start boiling your water, just because boiling water takes forever to do, and a wax pot doesn't boil. After that, crush your peppers. I've already crushed all of my peppers just because it takes forever to do. If you haven't seen the other video, check out the other video up here. That's my old version of how to make skooma. We're going to be doing a little bit different, but that's the original version up there. As you can see here, I'm adding my sugar. I'm not right hand dominant. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm adding my sugar. I don't have any tablespoons or cups or anything because I lost all of that when I moved out. So I'm just taking a spoon and I'm just spooning in sugar. This is a recipe that you can do a kiddie version of. Instead of using vodka, you can always use a substitute. Once you feel ready, go ahead and drop your tea bags into your pot. I have a couple dangling on the sides, but I'm also going to throw a couple with the strings out of them and then just scoop them out once I'm done. You can add as many you can add as many tea bags as you'd like into this. Just make sure when you throw it in there that it's not like this one where all the seeds come out. Once you've added the amount of tea bags that you feel comfortable with, go ahead and stir your pot a little bit just so that all of that tea can get stirred in. I'm probably going to be using a spoon or something to scoop this out of this pot just because I can't pour this into my tiny funnel. Go ahead and when you add these, give your pot a little stir. Just be careful because if you have them dangling on the sides, they may want to run away. I'm going to go ahead and scoop these tea bags out, and then we're going to go and pour these into the skooma pot. Just so we're clear, you want this water to be hot, this tea to be hot, because you can't mix the skooma with the sugar if it's not hot. This is my measuring glass, so I'm going to go ahead and pour maybe a cup and a half. I'm going to pour up to this line here on my bottle. Ooh, that's hot. Up here where my finger is. I'm going to pour that much, and then I'm going to fill the rest with vodka. You can use any type of vodka you want. They suggest in the original recipe, they suggest using a organic vodka. I prefer Svedka just because I grew up on Svedka. Svedka's my baby. So go ahead and grab your bottle of Svedka and open up. Go ahead and pour that into your bottle as well. So you're probably thinking, holy fridge goddess, Andrew, why the fuck is there so much alcohol in that? Just so you know, this is not a drink straight from the bottle drink. This is a pour it and have some, just a little bit kind of drink. Have a couple of sips. If you try to drink a whole bottle, good luck. You're going to be shit-faced drunk by the end of it. Yeah. Your bottle's full. Go ahead and shake it up a little bit. You can do this any way you want. This is so that you can mix the sugar and the hot peppers, the vodka, and the tea together. Once they're done, put them up here somewhere safe and let them brew for a while. So this drink gets better over time. So if you let it sit in a cabinet for a couple of months versus if you just drink it right away, it's going to taste a lot better over a couple of months of time. I have skooma that I made last year. And that skooma is way smoother than skooma right out of the bottle after making it. Your best suggestion is maybe a month minimal. But you can drink it right from the beginning, but it's not going to taste as good. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure if you haven't subscribed already, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I post. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you haven't checked out my old video, definitely check out my old skooma video, because even though it's cringy, it's also another recipe on how to make skooma. I read all of your comments down below. Make sure that also check out my TikTok, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. I post Snapchats every day. I do Twitter, Instagram, I try to post at least once weekly, and for my TikTok, check that out. It's all of my videos go on there daily. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You've been watching The Guard Post. Bye! People are going to think I'm absolutely insane putting the stupid shirts, changing my shirts up and all like this. Wow, that's not in focus at all. Fuck! Whoa! Look at that video. That's the skooma video. Scream!